The 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLA is all new. Can the smallest crossover from Mercedes-Benz compete against the likes of BMW and Lexus? We have a complete look right now. To learn about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com. Click New Cars, research Mercedes-Benz, and then select GLA. We make it easy to find what you want fast. The 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 brings new levels of tech, comfort, and capability to the luxury compact crossover market. Pricing starts at just $36,230 with front-wheel drive. As you see it here with some options and 4MATIC all-wheel drive, you're looking at $51,205 including destination. Under the hood is a 2-liter inline-4 that's been turbocharged for up to 221 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. Power is controlled with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. EPA rates economy at up to 33 miles to the gallon on the highway and 24 around town. A power liftgate allows for easy access to the back. With all the seats folded flat, the GLA 250 can carry up to 50.5 cubic feet of cargo. Don't let the small size of the GLA fool you. The second row is quite comfortable even for a full-size adult. Up front, you might mistaken the GLA for an S-Class. It's that good. Leather, metal, and the fine craftsmanship put it all together to make this one of the best compact cabins on the road today. All GLAs come with a digital display. Splurge on the upgraded set of screens for the ultimate experience. In the central touchscreen, you can customize both the look and feel of the vehicle, as well as access entertainment and maps with voice commands. Plug in a mobile device for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto access. The gauge clusters can also be customized to your liking. With the addition of the driver assistance package, the GLA 250 comes fully loaded with advanced safety tech, including active steering, adaptive cruise control, route-based autopilot, blind spot warnings, and rear cross-traffic alerts with auto braking. All GLAs also come with LED lighting for excellent nighttime visibility. Customize the driving response of the GLA with the Mercedes-Benz Dynamics system. Here you can pick between Eco, Comfort, Sport, Custom, and Off-Road modes. Each modifies the handling and response to best suit your driving style and conditions. On the road, the GLA 250 provides a confident and fun driving experience. There's plenty of pep, and the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system gives confidence even in loose conditions. It's true that some dual-clutch systems can be a little rough around the edges, but the Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 is incredibly smooth to drive, putting down power to the road throughout the power band. If you're looking for the ultimate commuter car, or you just want something smaller but still loaded with great ideas, the GLA 250 should be on your shortlist. Visit AutoNationDrive.com to see options from Mercedes-Benz. We have more than 70,000 new and used vehicles available from coast to coast. Find the perfect vehicle, pick your options, and arrange for a test drive at your local AutoNation-affiliated Mercedes-Benz dealer.